Everybody just have a good time. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall/autumn makeup tutorial. Here in Ireland we say autumn, but I've been watching too many YouTube videos, I say fall. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be. I recently received this Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette, and this is the Neutrals Cool one. So I'll just pop it open and let you have a wee look. So I had to repress these two. I didn't do a very good job, but I done it anyway. So that is what this palette looks like. I think I'm going to go for like a really deep matte smoky eye, like a brown or something like that. So as always, I am going to start with my eyes first. Can I just say to you, look at the size of this mirror. Like, it is massive. Look at my big window in front of me there. But the mirror is so big. So yeah, I'm just going to use the mirror out of this palette. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to start with the Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Eye Primer. I'm actually going to zoom in. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this. I really like this eye primer. Yeah, the Makeup Revolution eye primers are the bomb. So I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. My nails are bare today. I'm going to go and get them kind of reshaped and a wee polish. Not a gel polish, just a normal polish. I'll just bring it back to the olden days and get a normal polish. So now I'm going to go into this palette. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this palette. I didn't even want to touch it. Oh, I didn't even want to touch it until I was filming, because I knew if I did I would keep messing around with it, and I didn't want to do that. So I wanted to actually play with it for the first time on camera. So the first shade I'm going to reach for is the shade here, and what is the name of this shade? Reason. So I'm going to go in with the third on the top row and pop that into my crease. Oh, that's so pigmented. That is pigmented right there. And then when there's a wee bit less on the brush, I'm going to kind of bring it upwards. Oh my god, I cannot believe how pigmented that shade is. So I'm just kind of putting it messily into the crease, kind of bringing it upwards then. If you live in Ireland and you want to pick up some Makeup Revolution products, they are in most pharmacies nationwide, but I think there is an actual list of every pharmacy that stocks Makeup Revolution. The brand ambassadors for Makeup Revolution in Ireland is the bloggers Matte to Metallic. They're really nice girls. They have obviously a blog and website. So if you go onto their website, I'm sure they have a list of all the pharmacies that stock Makeup Revolution if you want to see if your local pharmacy or somewhere close to you has Makeup Revolution. So now I'm going to go in with this kind of deeper brown underneath it. Let's see what that is called. Tease. It's just like a deeper brown basically. I'm just going to put this just to give a tiny bit of definition and just to give a wee bit of a radiant effect, if that makes sense. A gradient. Oh my god, radiant. I can't even speak today. And then I'm going to go in with this red colour. Let's see what this colour is called. Paper Dreams. It's kind of like a rusty reddy brown colour, if you can see it there. And I'm going to pop that right over that brown, just to start giving the eyes a reddish tinge. Then I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush and just blend out those lines. Make sure that it is completely seamless. And now I'm going to go in with a brown. I think I might go on with this brown here. This is obviously a cool tone brown. and it is called Company. So I'm just going to pick this up on a flat shader brush and pop that onto the eyelid. I'm just going to pat it on because that is where you will get the most colour payoff. You know what, I'm actually even going to go in with this brown colour. This is called Promiscuous, and I'm just going to place that right over the top of that other brown. I forget the name of it now. And then I am going to grab this rusty brown colour again, what's it called, Paper Dreams, and I'm just going to buff that into the crease one more time just to make sure that everything is blended. And there is a bit of fallout with that darker colour, but you get a lot of fallout with dark colours anyway, so I'm not really bothered about that. Fallout doesn't really bother me in the slightest. I actually wanted a bit more sultrier, so I think I'm even going to go into this darker shade again. What is this called? Speechless. And I'm just going to get like a flat definer and pop that on the lower lash line. I mean, where the lash line is. Then I am going to take this colour right here. This is called Yesterday, and I'm just going to take it on a pencil brush and smudge out that lower lash line because I kind of want the most intensity to be on the lower lash line. And then for it to kind of fade up. To start the face, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Strobe Cream. This is by far my favourite strobe cream I've ever used. Oh god, I use too much. I just think that it makes the skin look so nice and kind of dewy. No matter how much foundation you put on top of it, it just gives this kind of glow to the face without anything being on your skin. Like, you could literally leave the house with this on your skin and people would just think you have a natural glow. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing two foundations. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 115, and I'm going to be mixing it with some Dermacol. And I'm just going to blend it out with a buffing brush. I was actually thinking, I've gotten really out of the way of using sponges. I don't know why. I just prefer to use a brush. I just think brushes give me fuller coverage. I don't know why. Sponges don't really work on my skin. And then if I feel like I put too much foundation on, I just kind of go over it with a sponge to kind of lift off the excess. The eyes do look a bit mad at the minute, but that will hopefully change when the rest of the face is on. I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix Concealer. Mine is in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to apply this underneath the eyes, around the nose, and then anywhere else where I need a bit of extra coverage. My chin always needs extra coverage. Going to blend that out with a tapered kabuki brush that I always use for concealer. I like to pat, get right into the inner corner because I've got some blueness in there. Blue tones. Around my nostrils, top of my nose, and then the chin. Okay, and to set my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution pressed powder. There's a hair on my face. Makeup Revolution pressed powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. I love this powder so much. And I just press this all over my face to set the foundation and concealer. I'll actually go in with a smaller brush to set the concealer. Next, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade Ultra Fair. I love this so much, and I do think that this is a dupe for the Sleek. What's the Sleek one called? I don't know, but you know, the Sleek contour kit where it has the bronzer, the highlight and the blush as well. I think this is a complete dupe for it, and this is like $4.95 or $4.50 or $5.50. I just think it's so affordable and I love it. So I'm going to be going in first with the bronze shade to darken up, or to warm up my cheeks a wee bit. And I kind of go down as well on the other side. Kind of just bring it up to my temples and then just bring it back down again. For blush, I'm going to be going in with this blush right here as well. It's really illuminating. I love it so much. Just gives the nicest glow to the face. I like to blend backwards to the hairline as well. Sorry if you can hear the noise outside. This room is like an oven, so I couldn't record a video without opening the window, so that is why you hear random people outside. And obviously for the highlight shade too, just gonna pop this right on top of my cheekbones. Oh wow, this highlighter is like so good. Every time that I use this again, I'm like, oh my god, why have I not been using this? It really is that good. So I think I am gonna go in and finish off the eyes now. And I'm gonna take this liner. This is Berry Fantastic lip liner by eyeliner by Essence. And I just thought it was perfect for autumn and fall time. I really did. So I'm gonna put this on the waterline and the top lash line as well. Oh wow, that is so pigmented. Look at that. Oh my god, that is pigmented. I'm gonna take the red shade Paper Dreams on the pencil brush that I used before, and I'm just gonna pop that underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with Promiscuous, the deep brown colour on the very edge here, and just go over that red. So now I'm going to fill in my brows with the Freedom Duo Brow Powder in the shade Ebony, but I'm actually going to do this off camera. You've seen me filling in my brows before, so I'm going to do this off camera and I will be right back. That is the brows done. I filled in with the Freedom powder and then I went over it with this Collection brow gel. I love this brow gel so much because the bristles are hard on it, so it really does brush through all the hairs. So yeah, I really like that brow gel. I'm going to go in to the Sculpt contour kit again, and I'm going to grab the highlighting shade, and I'm just going to pop that right on the brow bone. Just to give a wee bit of glow. And I'm going to pop this on the inner corner as well. Just to give the eyes a wee bit of a glow, so we don't look as kind of flat, I suppose. Now for lips, I'm going to be going in with this lip liner. This is the Essence Soft Contour Lip Liner in the shade 03 Deeply Intoxicated. It's like a kind of burgundy brown colour, and I'm going to line my lips with this. I filled in my lips with that lip liner too. Now I'm going to go in with the Essence Matte Long Lasting Lip Gloss. It's obviously just like a creamy liquid lipstick in the shade 09 American Girl, and this is like a really deep brown, so it's just perfect for autumn or fall time. While I was doing that as well, I completely forgot about mascara, so I'm going to throw on some mascara and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. My hair is so messy. This is the finished look right here. I actually really like it. I think that it is so appropriate for fall. So yeah, I really like it, and I was really excited to film my first fall or autumn video. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos by me. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.